打包回家。
准备好了吗？我是Sude。Today I'm going to take you to try something super popular in China. It's a special dish, famous not for its good taste, but the opposite. And I've been living in Hangzhou for 2 years now, and I've never dared to try it. But recently I found out that behind this unforgettable taste, there's a tale. And that's one of the reasons why, despite its taste, this dish has been passed down for centuries. So let's go and try. Before trying it, we have to cook it. Let's go. 我们今天要做西湖醋鱼。那这道菜最重要的一步是什么？
就是一个是两个部分，一个是水里养，其他的鱼是蒸的，我们这个是水里穿的，就用水把它慢慢低温把它养熟。第二个呢就是这个芡，就是我们这个调味的汁，这个非常重要。它的姜味要很重，它吃起来有点是螃蟹的味道。哎，对。
哦，这个我好像听说过，就是做这个调料的时候，它的这个比例很重要。
对。
然后
酱油、醋、白糖，这个就非常重要调料。这个很简单，家里做就很简单。水烧开放下去5分钟，哎。
以后我也试一下。
对，可以。
So our fish is ready now.
It's so big.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Yeah, it is. It is sweet. Sour. It is salty. Yeah, this is first time in my life trying something like this.
One hour later.
So I think it's a very special taste. I cannot say it's bad, but before I heard that people say 醋是醋，鱼是鱼, but I don't think like that. Maybe it's the difference between place to place. Like maybe this is a good one. So we already talked about the mixture of taste in this dish and in this juice, but there's actually a reason why it tastes like this. So in the beginning, it wasn't just food, it was a message. A sister-in-law once cooked this fish for her brother-in-law who's about to leave the house. And she used the sweet and sour flavors to remind him that no matter how sweet life gets, never forget the bitterness of the past. So this dish and this message is actually all about the balance. Balance of taste, balance of emotions, and tradition. I'm still eating, but I could just finish half of it. 叮叮叮，把今天的故事带回家吧，拜拜。